paid. I'm paying. What the fudge? Alright, so my whole brace is. What the fudge? Huh? I said you got it. I just realized I might be blending in with my couch. What's up, y'all? It's Double Take back at it again with another video. And in today's video, to be about these bad boys here. I'll call them yin and yang. I don't know, I just made that up. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna name my braces. I wanna name them. I just don't know yet. This video is going to include how much I pay for my braces, my treatments, toothpaste, what I use, all the good stuff about braces, you know? So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and give this video a thumbs up, you know? And let's just get into today's video. This update is a 2 to 3 months. I got my braces done on June 30th. So, well, has it been 2 months? I guess, I don't know. My teeth is not that bad. They just have like this. I have a crossbite. I believe that's what it's called. But I have everything in this bad boy. So my whole treatment plan for my braces is $6,780. Your girl did not pay it out of pocket. Your girl is on a payment plan because why? We are in a recession. Just kidding. It's coronavirus and I'm poor. That pretty much is going to cover, I think, 2 years? Apparently 1.5, 2 years. I don't know. Look, this is the inside of my mouth. Can y'all see that? You can't, wait, the camera. All right, this is that. Dang, that's crazy. What happened? I see the roof of my mouth without my expander, and this is that. Can y'all see that? That's the bottom of my mouth.
The expander.
That's without it, baby.
I be turning it. You told them I be turning it?
Babe, I'm not even there yet.
Oh, my bad. Spoiler alert. Dang.
What?
This is what I was trying to see yesterday.
When I paid my down deposit of $1,000, they gave me a toothbrush and some other like cool stuff like wax and like floss and all the, you know, the stuff that they give you when you be going to your orthodontist. Let's zoom you in, aka move this, cause you know, whatever. This excuse Mount Everest on my mouth. Oh, what? Can you, what? I had waffles. Okay, so these are my braces. There we go. There we go. And then I extend. So anyways, like I did that whole bit. Hit that, oh, good girl. I used to brush my teeth I used the Colgate 24-hour toothpaste thing. I'll insert a picture here. I have a water pick from Target. I thought water pick, guys, was like expensive, but it was only $54 at Target. I've been working out, if y'all can tell. Got the games. This whole video is all over the place. Babe turned my expander with this key. If this thing want to focus. There you go. This is the key. Right there. Y'all. Can we focus? 10? Hold on. There it goes. So, babe turns my expander with these sticky. If y'all want a whole how I turn my expander video, just tell me below. My last day of turning is July the 17th. And then this was my mold of my teeth. Oh, come on, y'all. And it had to like do whatever, but yeah, this is that of my roof of my mouth. Ain't that cool, y'all? It looks like popcorn. Hey. Anyway, I was supposed to turn 1 time a day for my expander. That's just pretty much it. I'm starting to see some changes in my mouth. Yo, I can't talk with this thing. I get a list. People out here thinking I'm old girl from 3OW/the Cheetah Girls. I ain't breaking no promises, y'all. I'm not, no. That's how I feel. That's how I sound like. I feel like I sound like her. But anyways, like I said, I told you the price of the braces, what I use to brush my teeth, That's it. If y'all want to see a braces routine, just comment that below. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I think I'm gonna do it every 2 months. Simple because it's, I don't know. I'll update it every 2 months, but every time I go to the dentist, then it'll be another video, if that makes sense. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Double dig out.
You were a summer and after fall.